dog once tried to kidnap me. I like those games.
Yeah,
okay. You're the one who's kidnapping Emily. And Justin's the one who's trying to save it. Hint, hint.
If I
No,
hit him in the
nothing.
head, he's immediately dead, so then I win.
No, if you hit him in the head, he's not dead. You have to hit him directly in the forehead for him to die immediately.
If I hit him in the if I hit him in the chest 2 times,
He's out.
bleeding, and you'll be hurt. You won't be able to walk well. If I hit him in the chest 5 times,
Oh, great, the gun! Ryan, the gun.
beep, 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 beep.
She needs 3 more. We need to find 3 more ammo.
Yeah, no, 4 more ammo.
Oh, there's ammo down there. Ammo there.
Oh, 1, 2,
I got some ammo.
and last one it goes to Emily.
3. I need 2 more. Okay, now we need 1 more. Oh, 1 right there. I'm touching the area.
Hey, Daniel.
Sniper attack! It hit the gun.
No, I was messing around.
Nobody's kidnapped. Oh!
I need 2. I need that one.
Hey, Ryan.
Ah, freaking get away from my face, bug! Ah.
Justin, look.
Yeah, that's what I thought, you stupid bug. Dude, I actually just... Dude, guess what?
I'm out.
Yeah.
Guess what happened? Guess what just happened? Okay, this is gonna sound really weird, but it actually did happen. I caught like a bee, I think was it? I couldn't tell if it had a stinger. You guys see a stinger on my hand? Anybody see stinger on my hand? No, I don't see one. She has the nuke! Don't let that hit the ground, or everybody dies. Nope, that's a...
Emily's suicidal. She can kill herself.
All I do is I just throw this on the ground and I die. Daniel,
hit 3 times, you're bleeding.
Justin, it's
Hit 4.
Justin, Daniel, Ryan, Daniel. Outside my hand, I died.
Everybody dies. That's a freaking nuke.
You've been hit on the full. You've been hit 4 times. Basic. Let me get my bullets.
Boom, you're dead.